Hey everyone, thank you for watching again. So today I'm going to show you guys this cute and easy protective hairstyle I did on Janelle's hair. It took me about 40 minutes to get it done and she will wear it all week. I hope you enjoyed the video. But first, I want you to know I published and released a lookbook with all my favorite hairstyles to try. It even has a QR code that links you straight to the tutorial on YouTube. It's a perfect gift for your daughter or your niece or your cousin, whoever has a curly head girl, and it's so much fun. It's available at Amazon and Barnes & Nobles, and I hope you'll support. Thank you so much. As always, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and for this look I also chose to blow out Janelle's hair because I wanted to have longer braids and I didn't want the hair to shrink back. First step to achieve this hairstyle is to part the hair down the middle. Next step is to create the sections for the heart-shaped braids, and what you're gonna do is create a triangular section at the center and front of her head. And it should look a bit like this. Once I'm satisfied with my section, it's time to get some edge control to clean up the section and lay down any flyaways she might have. Once that's done, it's time to start braiding to create the heart-shaped braid. Now that I'm done with my heart-shaped braids, I'm pulling out some of her edges because I want to lay them down. I really want to get better at doing edges because I really suck at them. Next step is the easy part, which is doing the cornrows to the back. and I'm using some got to be glue gel to lay down everything. I am not braiding her hair all the way down because I want the tips of her hair to revert back to its curly state for a more playful effect. Now that I'm done with cornrowing, it's time to make sure that the tips of her hair revert back to its curly state, and the only thing you actually have to use is water. So I'm spraying it down, and then I'm using a gel to define her curls. I will make sure to mention all of the products I've used in the description box below. I've just added the gel for some more definition, and as you can see, the hair is slowly but surely reverting back to its curly state. Isn't this wonderful? This is what I love about curly hair. You can just do anything and everything with it. So I wanted to add a splash of color, so I'm using Hairpaintwax. And I've combined blue and red together to get some like purple-ish color, which looks like this. And then I'm gonna add it to the tips of her hair. I've noticed that it dries really fast, but if you wanted to do this and get like more depth of the color, it's best to apply it on dry hair and not like I did on wet hair, because I needed a lot of product to get the color I wanted, and I had to like dry the hair and then add some more Hairpaintwax to get the color I really wanted. So once it's completely dry, this is what it looks like. I really love the color. I might do it again and then do her whole hair because it's a really subtle and cute color. I also love the hairstyle. It's really cute and she will wear it all week. The accessories are from Aliexpress. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments box below and I'll make sure to answer them ASAP.